a jack, which was a male donkey. And I just showed you a Ginny, which is a female donkey. And now I'm showing you the cubby, which is the baby donkey. Look at him. He's a little cute. On the farm, I told you we got a lot of different animals. As you see, it's shedding its first coat. It looks like it's an ancient animal you see in some. See one of my uncle there riding on his horse. That's Bertie. We're on the farm though, you know. I just want to give you a little close-up look at the little donkey. This is a cubby. Hi, cubby. How you doing? Hmm? Yes, sir. You're pretty tame too, you know. Pretty tame. Yeah, I think he think I'm Owen. Yeah, live in Jamaica on the farm. It's the Crocus farmer. Yeah, I gotta let you know that I'm live. This is no joke. This is a donkey's cub, bruh. Yeah, it's Rastafari soldier switching on out to Jamaica, America. Yeah, this is a donkey's cub. It's a baby donkey. Yeah, and I had to get in the shot, let you see how big I am compared to its size. As you see, it's a little bit scared of me. So I'm not going to do that with his mom. I just showed you the moms down there, the mother donkey, which is the Jenny. Yeah, it's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, I'm here on the film, the Crocus farmer. Remember to subscribe, like, share. Yes, you know, I'm doing work everywhere I go. On the farm, on the construction site, in the studio, making it work. Yeah, Crocus farmer style. More life, more joy, more happiness. If you think that donkey cubby is cute, or you never seen a donkey cubby up close and personal like that, tell the truth. Subscribe, like, and share, and leave your comment. Because, you know, I'm in the streets, I'm on the farm, I'm on the hills, I'm in the valley, I'm at the beach, I'm in the ocean, I'm all the way. So, you know, big up on yourself and don't stress up on yourself. Don't ever think less of on yourself, because as you see me, I stay dirty, I stay working, I stay grinding. Yeah, smiling. Yeah, I'm on the farm with my general Fire Key, you know. Real artist, sometimes you hear him singing a jingle. They approach TV, Crocus farmer. Yeah. What's up? I go out on the front there. Why, you have something video, some a farming me I deal with, family? Why you farm? And I'm going to see what my Uncle Bertie I deal with, huh? Let's see what he farming. See what he farming over there.